Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Klaviyo with WordPress. For this particular task I've decided to use Zapier on zapier.com. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account. So I already created mine, but if you don't have it, you can easily create one with some free trial, so you exactly know if the Zapier is the one that you are looking for. Also, they are constantly working on integrations and on the Zapier itself. So they recently made a facelift of the whole software. So that's why we are onto it. So on top left corner, we have create a Zap. Zap stands for integration. So we are going to create a Zap. Right now, we can on top left corner name it. So for example, if you need to come back to it, you easily can just write down Klaviyo to WordPress, and you will find it easily. So let's start with the integration itself. First one is trigger. We have to write down Klaviyo. Event, there's only one option, and that's a new event. We hit continue. Right now, we have to log in into our Klaviyo account, or into your Klaviyo account. I'm gonna hit that. We hit continue. Set up a trigger, bounced email, clicked email, dropped email, marked as open, received, many options. Let's go with bounced. And here you can test the trigger between Klaviyo and Zapier, but they couldn't find an event since my account is completely blank. So the second action will be WordPress. We're gonna hit that WordPress option, event, upload media, create post, update post, create user. Let's go with upload media. Oh no, let's make it more create user. So if new event appears in Klaviyo, it will create user in WordPress. And all you have to do right now is just log in into your WordPress account through Zapier. There's no problem, but you will need an API. So username, password, and also the base URL for the account that you want to connect it with. It's very easy. So that's about it. Once you fill this one up and log in into your WordPress account, you will be able to finish this integration. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.